Will Tesla sell 100,000 Model 3s in quarter number 4? Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Welcome to another awesome episode. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and the little bell so you can get notification every time I put up a video. And there's no secrets. I put up a video every single day. So welcome again. Tesla have produced and delivered. Actually, let me take it back. Tesla has delivered since quarter 3 of 2017 to quarter 3 of 2018, that's a whole year, 111,986. But don't catch me on the number. It's very close to that. That is astonishing. That is amazing. It's not only outselling all the electric cars in the market combined, it's also outselling luxury cars in that segment, not only individually, but combined as well. It's in the top 5 in all car sales. So it's amazing what they're doing. The question is, and according to Bloomberg Business, where I get a lot of my information, Tesla could conceivably produce in the last quarter of 2018, which just started right now, 100,000 Model 3s in one quarter, which is 4 months. How do they figure that? Now that production is ramped up and is in full scale, a 5,000 Model 3s a week is very possible. And therefore, if you take the 16 weeks, 4 months, 20,000 a month, that will be 100,000 Model 3s produced. Now, produced is great. Delivered is even better. Obviously, the delivery is always now from production hell to delivery hell. A lot of Tesla owners are volunteering to help deliver. Tesla, if you listen, I'm a Tesla owner. I'd be happy to help deliver. Anyway, so if that, and that is very, very conceivable, is no longer a wish and a hope. If that is conceivable, then that will be amazing. That will be absolutely amazing achievement for Tesla and electric car. Tesla has proven everybody wrong 10 times over. And I hope they continue, not because I own Tesla stocks. I don't. I care about one thing, changing the world one electric car at a time. I care about the environment. I care about sustainability. I care about all these things, not only electric cars. Also solar panels and recycling and all these good things that will give our children a better world. So their success is the world success, and I hope everybody joins. Tomorrow I'm going to make a video about Tesla's other competitors. Does Tesla even have competitors? Are they interested in being competitors? And if they're not, are they going to be extinct? I think so. So watch tomorrow for my Tesla video and its possible competitors, especially Volkswagen, the famous VW symbol. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time, and support this channel by becoming a patron. See you tomorrow, guys.